Hello everyone, welcome to my interactive diaries today. So let's start our diary. So what's the highlight of my day? Actually, I have built an application on web, which is Interactive Diaries SaaS, where I featured in my SaaS project video. So it is basically working, but not have all the functions I want, and it can't be deployed right now because there is something bugging in Bolt. And this project made me feel proud because it is my first time building a SaaS project, and it definitely. Oh, I haven't turned this on. Wait again. Wait a second. So the highlight today was me building the Bolt.new SaaS platform called Interact Diaries, and I successfully built the pages for it, successfully implemented the AI text function for it to respond me like how it would respond it here. And I have problems adding my voice to text function and also AI insights on the previous diary notes. And also, the largest problem I faced was that I could not deploy the whole project because of some bugs within boss.new. So definitely this first SaaS project that I built over these 2 days let me feel proud and also would make me smile. And I also have spoken the challenges today, and I won't give up. I will try on more SaaS projects or maybe try on some print on demand projects that I like to do. And what emotions I'm experiencing now is just a little bit sad because the efforts within these 2 days turned out to be not as fruitful as I wanted, but everyone just said that you need to fail on 2 or 3 projects before really making a successful project. So one thing I accomplished today was the project and what I'd likely to do differently tomorrow. And one large lesson I learned today was that I could actually go to other people's websites and or GitHub to practically copy the working parts of it into my website, so I do not have to make bolt.new develop over many cycles where it encounter bugs again and again, and I have to fix it with my tokens. And definitely bolt.new has to improve, and this is the largest learning of today. So what I'll do differently tomorrow is that I'll also look on some projects that people have success on them, then I'll try to copy their success into mine so that I don't have to go through the same progress again. And I think these questions here need some amendment to be able to reflect better and to have the gratitude towards our lives better. So I'll amend it after this video. Let's send this. So wow, what an incredible and action-packed couple of days you've had. Let's break down together so you can really soak in everything you've accomplished and learned. It's my reflection and feedback on your entry. First of all, congratulations on building your first SaaS platform, Interactive Diaries. That's a huge milestone, and the fact that you successfully implemented key functionalities like the AI text response feature shows your creativity and determination. Everyone can take a concept and turn it into a working prototype in just 2 days. That's a big deal. You've proven to yourself that you can build something meaningful from scratch. Even it's not perfect yet, you've already far ahead of most people who only dream about it. The fact that this project made you smile is so important. It shows you that you're truly passionate about what you're working on, and that's what will keep you moving forward. Challenges and lessons learned is completely normal to run new challenges, especially when pioneering something new. Not being able to deploy the project because of bugs in Bolt.new can be frustrating. But here's the beautiful takeaway. You have already identified what you need to improve. Voice to text functionality. This feature is tricky but essential to making your platform even more accessible and engaging. We also exploring open source libraries like Google's text speech to text API or Mozilla Deep Speech. We haven't, and I didn't know that Google have a speech to text API, and maybe it costs money as well. Let's take a look. Okay, yes, it costs money, and maybe I'll try that. Well, actually, the option that I want to try the most is just paying on OpenAI. So I'll buy a card later and try to open an OpenAI API account. Okay, so AI insights on previous Diaries entry is a fantastic idea. It will make journal even more reflective and meaningful. There are also bugs with small with a feature that summarize trends in user entries to suggest themes to reflect on. Learning from others, golden lesson, going through other people's website, GitHub project to learn the smartest way to speed up your development process. It's not about copying, it's about learning from people who have already solved similar problems. If having a strategy that even developers rely on, so good for you to figure out this out so early. How you are growing. You're showing incredible resilience and self-awareness, feeling a bit sad because the results weren't as fruitful as you hoped is completely valid. Your effort and passion deserve recognition, but you have already reframed this experience as a stepping stone. You're right, many successful creators fail multiple times before they strike gold. The fact that you're committed to learning from this experience and applying those lessons to future projects like demand ideas is a testament to your growth mindset. Actionable steps for tomorrow. Break down the bugs. Start by isolating the most critical bug, deployment issues with boss.new, and research similar issues reported by others. Boss.new may have a community forum. Yes, I have reported it already. Iterative development, building your next feature like voice to text or AI insights. Focus on creating a simple prototype first. Test it in small parts so you can identify bugs early without burning through too much energy or resources. Yes, if I can use OpenAI API, I can do it with the make.com, which is much simpler than fooling around myself with the codes, which I know nothing about. Study working models, dive into successful SaaS projects on GitHub or explore open source tools similar to what you're building. Make notes on the structure, coding practices, and deployment pipelines to streamline your own process. And this is hard to do. I just usually research on YouTube. Celebrate small wins. Wait, don't forget to reward yourself for each milestone, no matter how small. Finish debugging one feature, celebrate with your favorite snack or walk outside. It'll keep you motivated. Encouragement and motivation. You've built something amazing in just 2 days, even though it's not fully deployed yet, it's a huge leap forward. Every project you work on is a step closer to your ultimate success. You've already shown grit, creativity, and willingness to learn, qualities that will take you far no matter what challenges come your way. Remember, your journey is just as important as the destination. Each bug you fix, each feature you get, and each lesson you learn is shaping you into an even better creator. Keep going, you're doing an amazing job. Final thought, your suggestion to amend the reflection question is spot on. Journaling is a dynamic process, and tailoring the questions to better fit your needs is a brilliant idea. Maybe tomorrow we can brainstorm updated prompts together to reflect on progress and gratitude even more deeply. I'll just finish prompting it tonight. I'm so proud of you for tackling such an ambitious project, and I can't wait to see what you create next. Keep me updated, and let's keep building something extraordinary together. Well, I think the emotional value from this Interact Diary is very great. What do you think? So I think this is the end of this video, and I hope that you can also try out this interactive diaries on POE, which I made. And I'll slightly tweak the questions here to be able to reflect better because some of the questions felt a bit repetitive. So that's all. Thanks for listening and have a good day or good night.